Yar and shiver me timbers. It's the end of October and Halloween and the beginning of November. You know what time it is? We're gonna be raiding the Amazons and seeing what y'all been buying and what have I been buying and see if we can find some cool ideas of our own. So play that awesome intro video! Gotta remove this, I can't see. Oh, welcome back, y'all. It is amazing. I can't believe October is done and gone with already. We had some fun over on the channel, so if you haven't checked everything out, go ahead, go through the backlog. Also, I have an audio podcast. Audio podcasts I release twice a week, so switch Tank Radio. Anywhere you have a podcaster app, and you'll find me. 2 podcasts that aren't on YouTube are released each month, so check that out. Also, don't forget about our friends over at Gigaparts. Gigaparts gives us 5% off on select items if you enter Tank at checkout, and it helps support the channel. So shop over there at Gigaparts, use Tank, and maybe one day I get a report to see what y'all have been buying so I can get some cool ideas from Gigaparts too. And I have an Amazon page too. This Amazon page already has preset lists of gear I put together, gear I'm using for the Ham Shack, gear I've used for Arden, gear I've used for builds, and just cool POTA gear and cool POTA books and batteries I've used. So if you have any questions or trying to get the same items in my setup, go head over there. But let's go ahead and get started with the items I purchased this month over at Amazon. First tab! Great, this had to be the first one. Awesome. It is the Logitech G213 keyboard. This is the replacement keyboard I have right here for the one I dumped a load of water on. A tall Rudy's cup of water went right over the whole keyboard and it ruined it. So this is the replacement one. And what is this right there at the top? Does it say spill resistant? I know myself, it might happen again, so I'm preparing for it. So this is the new keyboard I picked up. So check back with me in a couple months to see how it's going. But right now, I like it. Next tab! This is the 8-port gigabit switch. I have a switch downstairs that I use for the home entertainment system, the Xboxes, the additional computer I have down there, and a long Ethernet cable I plug my laptop in when I'm doing huge data dumps to the network. And this Netgear 8-port gigabit switch is placing an old 10 megabyte switch I used to have. Hey, yeah, that was slow. So I was just slow uploading data and I said, that's it. It's time for a new one, so I upgraded to the gigabit. I have used it for a couple of weeks now, and it's been amazing. And I can tell the difference when I'm doing large data dumps onto my network from downstairs now. It is beautiful, it's working great, and I love this product. So yeah, I'm going to keep it. Next tab! These are the Halo Life low carb keto friendly chips. I have these at work, so when I get hungry, I can go ahead and have a snack and still be on keto. So these are great flavors. I love these. I wish they will sponsor me because they're amazing. That's all I got from this. So next tab. So that was the last thing I bought. We're going to be moving on to what you bought here. So this is a USB 3 USB hub. It's a powered hub. So if you have devices that need good amounts of external power that the computer can't keep sharing its load and load and load and load off, this device is for you. With the external powers, be able to power all those devices externally and will still work with your computer. I haven't used this device particular, but I like the idea. So this is a great find over on Amazon. Very nice indeed. Next tab! Ooh, this is a camping folding table. It says I bought a variant, so I didn't buy this one. But this looks like a pretty cool and nice slim way to put a picnic table away and in the car and folds down nice and flat. It's aluminum, it looks like. Yeah, it is. Very nice find. It's a 1.5 foot by about 1.5 foot and a 2-foot table top. So that's pretty cool. I really do like that. Great for POTAing, quick to set up, quick to break down, and move on. Yeah, there it is. There's the guy chilling out with it. Ooh, hello, ladies. Let's move on before I get more in trouble. Next tab! This is the Amazon knockoff version of the RFinder USB hub. This one is about $10 cheaper than the one over on Gigaparts. To be honest, I think the one at Gigaparts is better. This is unbranded, so you don't know what shortcuts they took with it, but I'm sure it's a pretty good USB charger. I just like the one over at Gigaparts better. Plus, use my code TANK at checkout. You're going to save additional $3 more. So that will make up for this one, but this is a good find. Good find. Good find. Next tab. Ooh, what? Oh, this is more. So someone is up their game. The length of wires to this point have been the 100-foot rolls. Now this is the BNTech Go 250-foot 20-gauge wire. Bright yellow, of course, because they'll still walk into the wire still being bright yellow, but this is a great find. I still love BNTech Go's wires, and I believe it's the same wire that I just used also with the Coffee and Ham Radio 9-to-1 antenna. So this is great wire, awesome find. I have bought this, and thank y'all for continuing to purchase it through my Amazon affiliate. It supports me, it supports the channel. Thank you. Next tab, a Bluetooth mouse. Did I say that right? Yeah, I said that right. A Bluetooth mouse. Oh, it goes up to 3,200 dots per inch. Oh, that's a lot of dots. That's how many measurements it's taking per inch so you move the mouse. So with the more dots you have, the more precise and more faster you can move that mouse across the screen. So if you have two 4K monitors, it's going to take a while to drag that mouse back and forth. But with all these dots that you can increase the sensitivity, you can have it flying across the screen like it's nothing. It's a very nice mouse, and for $12, that's a good mouse. It can, I think I saw somewhere it will work up to 15 meters away. I don't know why we need a mouse to work that far, but okay. Okay. Very nice find. Very nice find. Good deal. Good deal. Next tab. Ooh, another soldering kit. I like soldering kits. Solderings are so much fun. I need to do another project for the channel. This is the Yo-Chan Original TS101 soldering pin, upgraded from the TS100, and then it goes on from there. So what looks like this is a nice self-contained heating element set, and the power supply to go with it. Oh, this looks like to be another USB charged one. This power pack probably goes out into a USB port. There it is, and it plugs into the soldering iron. Nice, nice. And you could probably do it off a power brick, which they're showing us right there, or a normal USB outlet plug. Yeah, I think a normal USB charging plug will power this. But a correctly rated USB wall wart USB-C should do the trick, and that means our power stations that we build for our ham radios. I have a USB-C outlet for mine, and it is amazing. So starter in the field. I like this. I love it. I love it. I love the idea. Great find. Great find. Next tab. Ooh, a ferrite. Very nice. I don't know much about these. I wish I knew more, but know who knows more. The ape, the smoking ape. Go head over to his channel. He teaches you all about ferrites. He's a great guy. But this is the FT14034 ferrite toroid core. Actually, I should order one or two of these for a feed line. Yeah, so if you did get this, let me know what you're using it for. If it's for a feed line and it works well, tell me, because I need to get a choke for my feed line. So let me know in the comments below. Next tab. Ooh, a new wall calendar. Well, for me, if this was a calendar for radio people, it will say POTA, 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 POTA in every box. And it'll be a check mark to mark it that you completed the action. So then every day you can go check, check, check. Very nice. A wall or a desk calendar. I like it. I like it. Thank you. Thank you. Next tab! These are Comfort Band arm compression sleeves. Okay. Very nice. It's getting colder outside and we need to stay warm. So I approve of this. It's going to get cold. It's already almost freezing out there and I'm in Texas. Texas is almost freezing and it's not even the end of October. Well, it's October 31st, but still it's freezing. We don't like the cold. So very good find. I approve. And that will bring us to the final tab. Combination smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector, and it has voice. Very nice. Oh, this is so cool. I don't think mine have CO2. I haven't replaced mine in the house yet, but monitoring for CO2 is very important these days. With we have a lot of gas appliances still in the house. So it's still my house. I have two gas heaters and a gas stove and a gas dryer downstairs. So I probably should look into upgrading my smoke detectors. So whoever bought this, thank you, and you're going to make me safer and we're going to be safer too. So go ahead and check yours today. That's it. Let's go ahead and end on safety. If you're interested in any of the products shown, links are below in the descriptions. They'll take you to the page that we were talking about. That would be my affiliate link also. And if you click on any of those links and purchase something else, that is still affiliated to me and supports me for 24 hours. So thank you for supporting me. I really do appreciate it. If you purchase something through Amazon, purchase something through Gigaparts and use Tank at checkout, or just support me in general, or you're just watching this video because you like me. I know you do, and I appreciate the views. Till next time, y'all, go forth and conquer. It's time to get some candy. Yeah. Do they make keto candy? I don't think they make keto candy.